Welcome to the TDB Solution Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to manage the dashboard as your landing page in TDB. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of key information and allows users to see important metrics, shortcuts, and notifications at a glance. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find default map content on your dashboard. You can customize this view to match your preferences and add multiple sections as you like. To update your dashboard, click the Edit Dashboard button found in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a toolbox that allows you to add sections by dragging and dropping them into place. Here's how it works. We'll start by adding a table record section at the top of the map section. Click and hold the section. The yellow line will appear to show where the section will be added. Drop it into the place, and select a table you want to display. Then, click Save to submit. Once added, the selected table will appear on your screen. You can also update the table view. Click the pencil icon at the top of the table records section to configure it. In this view, you can rename the table name, update the number of rows per page, sort the records, apply filters, set search fields, enable table features, set alignments and columns widths of records, display the total value for numeric columns, and even rearrange the fields. Once you have put all your changes, click the Save button to apply. Going back to the dashboard, you can also remove sections you no longer need. Simply click the trash icon at the top of the section, then click OK to confirm. Now, to exit to editing of dashboard, click the close icon in the toolbox. And that's it. We have successfully added a sample section in the dashboard. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.